I'm trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask?
My good people, I'm done for the day. Like, I'm done with the workouts, and I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of my day. We are going home now. I'm back home, and yes, I'm looking fresh, like not from the way you saw me in the last clip. Yeah, so right now I need to fix something, like just get something to drink quickly. And today I'll be hosting two of my friends. One is Kenyan, the other one is Ugandan. They're both YouTubers, and they'll be coming over for lunch, so I really need to do everything quick. And yeah, so we'll be having maybe late lunch, because right now it's around 11, and I think I'm a bit late. I was hoping that I'll be getting back home earlier than that, but well, kulikuwa na workout, kulikuwa na challenges. It was just fun at the gym. So anyway, let me get started, and we need to finish these things quickly. I'll just try and make a simple lunch, you know. Yeah, so before I even take that breakfast, I just need to do some cleaning, like some touch-ups on the seats quickly, and then we get started. Like, time is so limited. I'm not going to even clean the floor because it's in the middle of the week, meaning the house is still not that dirty, like it's a bit clean, just the seats. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and let's do it together.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know.
Yes, I'm done cleaning. I have these vegetables over here that I need to slice, and then I am having bread and of course tea. My first guest is almost here, so yeah, so I just need to get all these things done quickly so that we can have our lunch right on time, maybe by latest 2 p.m.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Now the fish is ready. It looks so crunchy and looks so yummy, by the way. I can't wait just to now make the, you know, thick paste, which I'm gonna do with you, and then just drop all this in. Yeah, then we'll be having our meal ready.
Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody.
I'm just going to add the sauce now. I'll put it over here. Of course, I could not fry it from here because, I mean, yeah, you can understand, for food. Alright.
Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the
Karibu sana.
I mean, I'm at home.
Yes, please buy something to drink, serve yourself. By the way, the first time we put on the number, there was nothing.
That's nothing. I came here, everything was
set. When was that?
Yeah.
After the
Yeah.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I
knows me?
Larry is here. For those who know Larry from LK Show.
LK Show. I used to be called Mandla King.
Yeah. So what made you change your name?
Brands.
Okay.
When I approach brand, they say what's Mandla King, so they cannot relate. So I changed to my name.
Okay.
Larry Kipkut.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'm about to make ugali. At the same time, I need to. Let me start with the ugali.
So those who don't know this, what are these? What are you putting there?
So I'm putting.
Because there's so much.
I'm putting flour.
There's a lot of flour.
Yes. And it's not normal. I'm using the yellow one.
Okay.
The yellow one is a bit healthy, and you know me and health, we are one.
Because there are different types of ugali.
Yes, there are different types of ugali. We have brown ugali, we have yellow ugali, we have white ugali.
This is the yellow ugali.
Yes.
Yellow of
And if there's one place, now that I have my Ugandan friend in the house, if there's one thing I enjoyed in Uganda the last time I was there in Kampala, was their ugali. Like their ugali.
It's white.
Yes, it's very white and it's very soft. Like it's so nice compared to our ugali. But you know what? Today you'll have to eat. Dennis, you'll have to eat our Kenyan ugali. Unaweza pika Kenyan ugali? Okay.
This is Denis Duke, Christian Ger's friend, best friend from Uganda.
Yes.
Nimekuja kumpay visit. It's been a long time coming, and the warm reception here. I'm coming back.
How did you know Swahili?
How did I know Swahili?
Yeah.
Sasa nilikuwa hapa, I came here in 1994.
Wow.
Around 1994 years. Nilisomea hapa kindergarten until 2001. I went back to Uganda in 2001. So I left here like I knew most of my.
But it's just not the basics, not the
Swahili.
Yes.
No. I knew everything. It's just that I've taken close to 20 years. 20 years na siongei Kiswahili. Na hauwezi kunipoteza kwa Kiswahili. Nasikia kila kitu.
Like huwezi sengenywa kwa Swahili.
Hapana, huwezi.
So do you know Mbogi?
Mbogi?
What Mbogi means?
What Mbogi means? Yes. Hiyo umenipoteza. Najua tu mboga. Ndio chakula, si ndio? Sasa najua mboga. Najua most of the things,
Mbogi, wewe unajua mboga. You don't know Mbogi.
Sijui.
So mboga, this is mboga you're talking about.
Yeah, this is mboga, but now there's
Mbogi means something else.
Mbogi means
even as you can be mbogi, it's like
a squad.
A squad.
That's a squad.
Like
it's like a
Mbogi
slang,
yangu.
something like that.
Yes, it is.
This is my squad.
It's been a while, honestly. But at least if somebody speaks Swahili, actually the border guys that have been talking to it, are really surprised that I can speak like to them, somehow fluent to them, and they're like, that's good. At least you can get.
Yeah, because your Swahili is good. Like at least you can speak. You're even speaking better than some Kenyans, by the way.
Really?
I'm Kenyan. You know Kenyan and Swahili well.
I'm telling you, there are Kenyans who can.
Unless from Sharks.
No, not from Sharks. Like even mimi tuanze kuongea Swahili hapa, tukiendelea kuongea Kiswahili kutoka mwanzo mpaka mwisho. I'm telling you, siwezi ongea mfululizo wa Swahili. Yes, I have to speak English, like mix Swahili with English. Food is ready, good people. Vegetables, ugali is here as well.
Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain.
The content creators are busy. For once, I have guests in my house who are very busy with content, unlike my other friends.
I'm full. Like in Swahili, nimeshiba, yani nimeshiba mpaka natamani kuishi hapa.
Imagine.
And then dealing with apartment construction. So it's quite a lot that I'm doing. But how do I manage that? Is I learned one thing.
My people. So I've just spent the entire almost an hour watching Mandla King shoot. You know, like, but I'm so proud of him. Like these days, oh my God, the questions are just flowing like one after the other. I'm just here in the kitchen because I want to pop some popcorns. We're going in for the next shoot, so I think we'll even shut down you'll just see, because I'm sure I will bring you along. Yeah, so I'm popping some popcorns because mimi napenda kukula. Now watu wenye pia niko nao wanapenda kukula. Journalists are very known for loving food, so that's what's happening in this house. So I will pop this one. If there is one snack that I never stay without in this house, it's popcorns. Like, I can snack this anytime. I don't know how you make yours, but mine are just made like that. Wait, let me see. I need to add more, just a little more. Oh, it's already starting to pop. So I like popping mine like this. Just put oil. When it's ready, you pour your corns, then you cover it, then the rest you just pop on middle heat, not too much. But again, this is not a cooking show, so if you want to watch more about recipes, how to make stuff, like how to cook stuff, I would definitely recommend Kaluhi's Kitchen or maybe Miss Mandy, because those are the people that I watch a lot when it comes to cooking in the kitchen, like how to make stuff. Those are Kenyan YouTubers, by the way, in case you didn't know. Actually, I don't know what I wanted to say, but that's the end of this. So my popcorns are ready. I sprinkled some salt already, so it's very, very good and ready to go. Because they are so yummy. Now we can even... Okay, what time are we going to relax? Because me, I'm tired. I just want to relax. I don't want to keep shooting content. I can't wait to just stop shooting content. By the way, being a content creator, sometimes you don't even enjoy things, especially when you get to travel. And remember, in the beginning, I used to have such problems, but I think with time these days, I just decided that I'll shoot day 1, day 2, then the rest of the days I just enjoy. So now when it comes to shooting vlogs, like now today, I feel like we just need to sit, talk. Okay, we've done a little bit of talking, but now we need to still sit and talk and forget about this shooting. But where it is tough.
Hey boo, hello.
Hello banange, bandu ba Kenya. Pa pendanga ewewe muno sana.
Katunda wanje.
Katunda
wanje.
What's up, good people? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time or third time, or you're always a member of this channel, just know that I really do appreciate you.
You've started.
Oh, you're on, good.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I love her. She's a very wonderful woman, very nice, very welcoming. I will always feel at home when I'm in Kenya because of Christine. I can always count on her, that's for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you telling them or telling me? What is it that you want to tell my people? You're telling
them through you.
Okay.
A friend that you can always count on.
Who's that? Me?
Christine GER.
Correct. Yo, I'm actually looking for credits na nimezipata hapa. Sometimes you have to go for the thing that you want, you know, like just poke it until it comes. So great people, it's been a very, very busy day and a very successful day. I just need to end it here now, and I'm so glad you've been watching these videos. I'm so glad you guys have been watching my videos, leaving comments and just thumbing up the videos. Thank you so much for doing that, by the way. So my good people, as a content creator, I know you know how important it is to just have like backup content. There are days that you wake up and you don't feel like shooting. Those are the days that you just use the content that you've created and you just upload. Anyway, it's time for me to end this video, and I'm gonna end it here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this particular video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you're still watching, kindly click on this lady that is popping right here to join this amazing family. I'm sure you won't regret a thing. And until next time, good people, kisses to you.